You are my fire, burning feelings from the deepest desire. Words can never express. Our hearts will be forever obsessed. With you makes unexplainable sense. Passion, intimacy, and commitment are intense. Our love is like the most addictive drug. Not even eternity can unplug. Laughter and happiness is always with you. The foundation we have is strong and true. Life is uncertain, this we all know, but the invisible red thread will never go. If I could live my life over, I'd find you sooner, so I could love you longer.
Me and Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. We meet every day at the same cafe at 6:30, and no one knows she'll be there, holding hands, making all kinds of plans, while the jukebox plays our favorite song. Me and Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. We gotta be extra careful that we don't build our hopes up too high, 'cause she's got her own obligations, and so do I. Me and Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honor you.
With my body I honor you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am I give to you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
And all that I have I share with you.
In the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Well, it's time for us to be leaving, and it hurts so much inside.